Hi everyone, we're back with another video, and today I'm going to show you something that I keep getting messages about. I do have a tube top pattern on Etsy, and people have been asking me, how can I use your pattern but only use a serger, or can I add bands to it? And yes, you can. So today I'm going to show you how to make the tube top with bands on the top and bottom like this. And I'm going to insert a clip on how it looks on my daughter. It's super cute, and she did so awesome modeling. But yes, all you need is my tube top pattern. It's on Etsy. I'll have the link down below, and right now it's on sale, so go get it before the sale is over. I think it ends on May 31st, so go check it out and let's get right into the video. Okay, so before I start, I want to show y'all how the pattern is set up. So I have it here all taped up, and all you need to do is overlap these thin black lines that go around every page. So if you're wondering, this is how it's taped up. I've had some people tell me that even though the 1-inch square is accurate, they feel like their pattern isn't accurate. So if you want to double check, make sure that the size 5T going this way is 10.5 inches. So the biggest square going this way should be 10.5 inches, and that's how you know it's accurate. And I also have a size chart. It's in the pattern, but today my daughter measured 21 inches, so I'm going to do size 3T for her. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the pattern, So first things first, here I have my pattern pieces. This is a size 3T. I did measure my daughter, and she fits into a 3T now, so that's awesome. And then all you need to do is create your little tube top band pattern. So all I did was take the width of the 3T size and subtract 2 inches. So it's the width, take off 2 inches, and you make your little band. And then I also made it 2 inches tall. So it's 2 inches up and down, and the size of whatever tube top you want minus 2 inches to make the little band. And this will be on the fold, which is why I added like a little fold right there. But that's all you need, is 2 pieces of the front and back, and then 2 bands for the top and bottom. So if you are worried about how to cut this, the stretch just means that you're going to cut it on the stretch of the fabric. So this fabric is stretchiest going this way, so that's how I'm going to line it up. And then your bands, you're going to fold it. You can even use the same fold if you don't mind wasting a little bit of fabric on top. But that is how I'm going to cut it. Again, 2 of these and 2 of these. Okay, so now I have all of my pattern pieces. Just for this, just make sure that you keep it like right side up, like how you cut it, because we're going to have to put the fabric right sides together and then sew these sides down. You don't want to sew the top sides, right? So go ahead and sew this side and this side, and then my bands are also right sides together, and I'm going to sew along the raw edges. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our bands, and this is where you want to decide if you want this seam on the side or in the back middle. I like the center back, so I'm going to line it up in the center back. And I don't use pins or anything, but if you want, you can pin this to the center back. But I'm just going to find it and clip it with my little thread snipper. Just go like that, and then that's where I'm going to line it up for both of the bands. So I'm just going to line it up like this. You could see the seam with that little snip, and then just sew all around. You are going to have to stretch it, so again, if you want to pin it and make it so that you know how much to stretch, go ahead. But I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. You already know these quick and dirty methods is all we know around here. So again, I'm not pinning it, I'm just going to go for it. And whenever I have to line something up, I like lifting my presser foot and putting it right under the needles so that I know that it's going to be lined up. And then the rest of it, I just like to grab it, hold on. I just like to grab it and stretch it where it needs to go. You're only stretching the band, not the actual tube top itself. So just showing you how I do it. And I'm going to go ahead and go all around and sew it. And you do want to line up all the raw edges. So I have one side done, and I just want to show you, like, the band kind of concaves in, but that's what you want, because once you wear it on the body, it's going to stretch and stay up. So I'm going to do the second one and be okay. So there you have it. Here is what this tube top looks like, and again, the band should be looking smaller. And I like that with this fabric, since I didn't add a tag, I can wear it like both different ways. I don't know, that's kind of cool. But anyways, that is it for this tutorial. Super easy, super quick. I made two in like no time. So go ahead, check out my pattern, link in the description and also in the comments. And yeah, hope you have a good day. Bye.